I'm Matthew Mobilio, founder of Mobilio Law. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about the differences between a no-fault divorce and a fault-based divorce in Pennsylvania. The most common type of divorce in Pennsylvania is by far a no-fault divorce. This is likely due in part to the fact that there's no real advantage to the filing of a fault-based divorce where a no-fault divorce is available. There are two basic types of no-fault divorce, and each requires that the marriage is irretrievably broken. You can acquire a no-fault divorce where both parties consent to the divorce or where there has been a separation of more than 2 years. In no-fault divorces where both parties consent, there's a 90-day waiting period from the date of the filing of the divorce complaint before the court can enter a divorce decree. In no-fault divorces based on a 2-year separation, the calculation of the 2-year period does not necessarily require that one spouse actually move out of the marital home. You and your spouse could live under the same roof, but if you occupy different parts of the house, don't have sexual relations, take your meals separately, etc., you could be considered to be separated. Now, you might be wondering, what about fault-based divorces? Well, there are 6 categories of fault-based divorce, marital misconduct that could form the basis for a fault-based divorce in Pennsylvania. That's desertion, adultery, cruel and barbarous treatment, bigamy, imprisonment for a crime, and indignities. In practice, fault-based divorces are rare. A contested divorce case on grounds of marital fault is a lengthy and expensive process and is usually unnecessary due to the relatively lax requirements to acquire a no-fault divorce. There are some strategic advantages to filing a fault-based divorce, assuming your other spouse agrees not to contest it, such as for certain tax purposes and when the 2-year separation agreement for a no-fault divorce has not been met. If you have questions regarding a divorce, contact me today for a free, no-obligation case evaluation.